Hey, it's Ann from NanLovesFood. I want to share with you an amazing hack that I found to make grocery shopping so much easier at Walmart. This hack is going to work whether you're using grocery delivery or pickup. So it makes life super duper simple, and I can't wait to show you. Let's get into it. So here we are at walmart.com. If you go to this reorder my items section and click on the word lists, you'll find this section called lists. And you may or may not have anything floating in here, but I am maximizing this to the fullest, and let me show you how. So not only can you create a basics list like I have here, which this has all of our staples, like stuff that I'm going to order every single week, it doesn't even matter. Like we've got milk and pasta and rice, like things that I'm definitely going to have on hand. Now I have curated this based on what our family uses just about every week. And as you can see, there's a button here that says add all to cart. So I don't even have to think about like, oh yeah, we need dog treats. Obviously we need dog treats every week. This is just automated, gonna put it in there for me. I do not have to use my brain at all to think about the stuff that we normally buy, which that alone is a huge, huge benefit. But I've taken this to the next level and I wanted to show you that part as well. So what I've done is I've taken all of our weeknight meals that we eat on repeat, which is not many. They're more often than not, I'm getting creative in the kitchen if I've got the energy and the bandwidth to, but some weeks and some nights just do not allow for that. This is the way I have put together some of our favorite meals that we have on repeat, some of which I don't even think to do very often, but they're my favorites, they're our favorites, and I love making them. So what I've done is I've just put them all in their own little list. Now it appears that Walmart allows you to have 20 lists. So that's how many I have used here. And as you can see, I've got just some of our favorite meals ready to go. So taco night, for example, which is a pretty serious staple in our home. If we click on it, you can see that there are 6 items. We have ground beef and corn and rotel and cheese and shredded lettuce and this taco kit, which is my absolute favorite because it has the Velveeta cheese in it along with the hard shells and the soft shells. So yummo. Love that one. But if I decide we're having taco night this week, all I have to do is push this add to cart button. Oh my goodness. So exciting. So we've got tacos, we've got pizza, we've got chicken piccata, which is one of my favorites, but I never think to make it. Cincinnati style chili, barbecue pulled pork, meatball subs, beef stew, salsa chicken, broccoli beef, chicken chili cheese rice, another favorite, a dip that my husband loves for us to make, peanut chicken with rice noodles. That's a stir fry that we do with like the shredded cabbage slaw that just peanut and soy sauce and mirin and sambal, and like you put all those things together and make an awesome stir fry. Super easy weeknight meal. I'll make that for you guys sometime. Mississippi roast, Chicago style hot dogs, Greek chicken and rice bowl, which is one of my all-time favorite at-home dinners. We have chicken Alfredo, sliders and waffle fries. My husband's mom's recipe for red sauce. He's part Italian and they're very particular about being the right sauce. So I have to follow a very specific recipe on that one. And all the ingredients are just right there for me. I don't have to think about it at all. And then zuppa toscana is another favorite one that the Olive Garden copycat we absolutely love. So by just being able to like click, add to cart, click, add to cart, this is going to make grocery shopping so much easier, and it's going to help inspire and like jog the memory of like, yeah, I love chicken piccata. We should totally have that. This is a pretty simple hack. It really took me probably an hour to go through and like think of all the things that we would want to have in our 20 item menu. But this is just one of those things that when you are busy and you have 100 million things on your plate that you don't have to think about. And anything we can do to like lower the bandwidth that it takes to put delicious meals on the table for our family, I am all about that, all about it. So I hope you find this hack helpful. I know I'm going to use it every single week to make life super easy in my kitchen. I hope this helps. For more help with easy weeknight meals, make sure you're subscribed to NanLovesFood. We'll see you in the next one.